You are coming, you are carrying all your whole load going out from your husband's place. You carry all your load going out, and you say within yourself, I am done.
Yes, sir.
What are you thinking?
I'm tired.
Eh?
I'm tired of the marriage.
Have you come back already?
Yes, sir.
Don't try it. Madam, where is your mother?
Wow.
Stay there. I saw her carry her load. As you are stepping in, you carry all your load and say, I'm done with the marriage. And she said that she's tired. So let me tell you what God has. He has something. God said that the load you have been packing,
Yes, sir.
don't pack it anymore. Stay. Your husband is having challenges, spiritual. And this spiritual is going to be solved soon. And when it is solved, it will be in your favor. Sometimes he don't know what he is doing, because some life he lives is against his own life. Sometimes when he realizes what he is doing, he is crying and pretend. So the load you carried as you are stepping in, the Lord said you should bring that load down. Stay your husband. Everything will be okay soon. Do not be tired. Mother-in-law is not supportive. Do not be tired. Stay. Madam, speak to your daughter. Let her stay with her husband. What is your name?
Kiruka.
Nkiruka. Nkediniruka. Stay. Nkediniruka.